house. This outstanding, ready-to-go tiny house was launched and designed by the Amazig company. One of the best things in this house is going to be the hidden compartments. Its walls might look like ordinary cabinetry, but it's a hidden integrated kitchen with high technology. Behind this wall, you'll find a full hidden fridge, so it will have good freezer space. This house comes with multifunctional furniture to save space. On top of that, it is a smart home, so you can ask Siri to play a movie for you.
Hey Siri, play a movie. Siri, turn on the fire.
And here is your fancy bedroom with a queen bed on the bottom and a twin-size bed on top. It gives you a comfortable space to rest, take a nap, or even for the guests. This thoughtfully designed tiny home with 414 square feet makes you feel like living in a big house. With a gorgeous view from the living room, you can see how the walls are full of windows to bring light from many directions. This spacious living room contains a built-in bench that can work as storage, a couch that can turn into a crash pad, the house comes with high ceilings, so things don't feel packed. The bathroom feels spacious and well lit by the large privacy glass window. Daisy Vera Tiny House by Build Tiny. This adorable tiny house is designed by Build Tiny. The house comes with an heirloom stained glass window, and it also has a storage loft to store your things. The tiny kitchen has everything you need: gas hob and oven, a pull-out rubbish bin, sink with a chopping board, and a fold-up table. The bathroom has slide-out storage. It is ideal for more space gain. The house has a double sleeping loft with a skylight window and storage for your clothes and books beside a small wardrobe. Gaia Off-Grid Container House. This shipping container house is an experimental, self-sufficient housing project. With Gaia, there is no need to worry about external sources of energy or water since this house is supplied with solar and wind power, ensuring your batteries can be charged at all times of the day and in all seasons. The battery level, consumption, charging, and other factors can all be monitored remotely using a mobile app. The house is equipped to retain rainwater, which is filtered and distributed to the kitchen and bathroom. It also contains smart storage space, a convertible sofa bed, compact tools and tables, and for added safety and privacy, the outdoor terrace can smoothly be folded to close the container using the winch. Kinnikit Tiny House. Kinnikit is a marvelous 20-foot by 8.5-foot tiny house based on Modern Tiny Living's popular Mohican model. It comes with lovely green accents over a white interior with dark floors. This stunning build house is perfect for a weekend traveler or even a full-time home.